Donald Rodney, the brother of slain leader of the Working People's Alliance, Dr. Walter Rodney, along with other supporters on Thursday, protested in front of the Court of Appeal in Kingston, Georgetown. Rodney is calling on the court to set a date for the hearing of his appeal against his 1982 conviction for the possession of explosives. He believes that once his appeal is dealt with, several misinformation in the cases surrounding the death of his brother will be addressed.
It was a charge which was really a cover-up for the assassination of Walter Rodney. So that in fact, when I come out here and protest that my appeal should be heard, I'm also asking for justice for Walter Rodney, because that is how the charge and the conviction came about. Well, the appeal has been pending for a long time. Most specifically, the registry at the Court of Appeal has said that documents of record could not be found. Then subsequently, when I questioned that, they said, well, the documents were at hand, but they weren't satisfactory. And I will be contacted as soon as they have a further report. And that was about 3 or 4 weeks ago. I haven't heard since. So at this point in time, I feel I have no option but to really make a public protest against the Court of Appeal.
Also joining the protest was Takuma Ogunse, a founding member of the WPA.
And I do believe it is important that, citizens of the country come out and give solidarity on this very important issue that goes right down to the question of human rights and justice for citizens. And you will know that because it has its genesis in the assassination of Walter Rodney, and as you will know that the Commission of Inquiry indicted the state that this was an act of, with members, officials of the state in collusion with the security forces. Therefore, this becomes of even greater significance that the Guyanese state has a duty, to correct this, and the court system is part of the state system. And while we are not demanding that the government interfere with the running of the judiciary, I'm out here to insist that the judiciary, as part of the state, has a duty to correct this injustice. And I hope they will move to do that very soon.
Dr. Walter Rodney was killed in a bomb blast on June 13, 1980. A commission of inquiry was set up to investigate the circumstances of his death in 2014, but while the report did not point to a specific entity, it states that there was a conspiracy to assassinate the political scholar. The WPA, which is a party in the governing APNU coalition, has in the past called on the government to exonerate Donald Rodney from all charges brought against him in relation to the death of his brother.